Next up, we got $6.25 for 5.6 miles. Look, yeah, $18.70. Now, that's not a great start, but it could get better. But not with this order right here. What is this? $5.50 for 9.3 miles. Look.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
First order of the day, we got a $7.75 Chick-fil-A order. I think it said it's going 3 miles up the road. Look, I had just pulled up. I turned on YouTube. I was getting ready to watch me a YouTube video. We jamming. Welcome back. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader, FDA, fastest dasher in the whole Milky Way. Let's get to this money. Chick-fil-A had that thing ready to go. They on point this morning. Yes, sir. $7.75 for 3 miles. I love it. Straight shot up the road. Leaves me within my zone. It was a high priority order, so I definitely appreciate that. It's always nice when Doordash doesn't send you an offer that's ridiculous miles the very first order of the day. Now, I know in some markets you may have different zones stacked on top of each other to where if they send you, a long distance, it'll drop you off in another zone where you may have a possibility of picking up orders. But then a lot of us have zones where if you get sent a really far distance, let's say 7 to 8 miles in a straight direction, you may be outside of your zone. So it's always nice when you get a nice, reasonable miles to money ratio offer and you can stay within your zone and keep them wheels rolling. Chick-fil-A for the win. Let's go ahead and get this one dropped off and see what we get next. We got $5.25 for 2 miles right here at McDonald's. I always be at McDonald's. If I had to go ahead and pull up all my deliveries for a 5-day period, you're gonna see McDonald's 9 times out of 10, they're gonna be one of the first couple of places I hit every single day. So shout out to McDonald's. Let me know in the comments below if you're making that money with McDonald's every morning too. Doordash is changing. It's not the same as it was last year. I need you to adapt. I need you to be willing to try something different. Expand your parameters just a little bit, and you can make all the money. Boy, this is one of them dangerous deliveries right here. They live right on the main road. Look at this. Woo! Woo! Dangerous. Look at this. I barely was able even to pull in. This is crazy. All for $3. This is not a good order because this is dangerous. For real. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Well, I won't be delivering to this house no more, that's for sure. Let's go ahead and get that picture. Boom. And we are pretty sure that was just like a $3 tip. Let's see. Yep, $3 tip on that order. Cars zooming by. Dash just sent me an offer, $11.39 for 12.7 miles. Look, if you ever get an odd dollar amount like that, that's the full tip amount, guys. No, sir. Doordash decided to send me that crazy order. So I said, nah, look, I'd rather pull up the Smoothie King and spend $10 than drive an order 12 miles away for 11 bucks. It's not happening. So that's where we at right now. We about to grab us some Smoothie King. I got me a power blend smoothie. I needed me some proteins and stuff, but I also wanted some fruits up in it. So we got a blue raspberry with the strawberry. And now we finna go ahead and throw that back and continue making this money. Next up, we got $6.25 for 5.6 miles. Look, that's at least 1-to-1 miles to money ratio, but it's not for me. I'm gonna wait for something else, guys. I like to at least, I only like to go like 1 to 2 miles on a $6.25 order, unless it has a plus sign. Spent $9 on my smoothie, and now we got this $5.70 for 1.1 miles. Now, I know this ain't going up. It's not even a $6 order at all. No plus sign, but you know what? I'm gonna take that. I like the cash flow. I like the miles to money ratio, and the drop off is super close. Alrighty, we got that 54th Street in the car. We actually at the delivery destination right now, but it actually is a hand to me. So we're gonna sit you guys right here, and you can watch me head on up in there and get this picture on this hand to me order, because you know they got me messed up. I don't play no games. Hand to me. Yeah, I hand you this order, but I'm also need a picture. Alrighty, so we are an hour and 20 minutes in on this DoorDash shift, and I'm only at $18.70. Now, that's not a great start, but it could get better. But not with this order right here. What is this? $5.50 for 9.3 miles. Look, if you can make money on this order, I'm not here to tell you if you should or you shouldn't take it, but I'm telling you this, I cannot. So after that $5 order for going 10 miles, they sent me another one, $5.25, but this one is only going 2 miles, and it's at a place I don't mind picking up from. Right across the street, we heading over to St. Louis Bread Co., aka Panera, for all my not St. Louis folks. If you got Panera, just know that it's actually called St. Louis Bread Co. because it started in St. Louis. And speaking of St. Louis Bread Co. Panera, wow, they just slapped me with an add-on. So $6 for an additional 3, I'm gonna take it, because at this time of day, I ain't finna be getting nothing else. You see, they trying to send me 10 miles away for $5, and I ain't having none of it. Dropping off the first of the Panera Bread orders, and of course, it's a hand to me. Next up, we got $5.25 over at Jersey Mike's, and I knew when I accepted this order, it was a high probability I was gonna get an add-on, and that's exactly what happened. Check it out, we got $6 plus with an additional plus sign right at Jersey Mike's, right where we already going. Let's get it. So it looks like we're gonna be going an additional 1 point something miles. It really doesn't matter. I knew that if I accepted a Jersey Mike's, a Panera, Five Guys, Qdoba, Wingstop, any one of those merchants, it was a high chance I was gonna get an add-on. So it's a lot of places where you accept the order from and you know you're not gonna get an add-on. McDonald's, Chick-fil-A. So when you out there and you working during the slow time, one of the things you can do to increase your money is to say, okay, if I pick up this $5 order at, McDonald's, I'm not getting no add-on. McDonald's orders you're not able to get add-ons on. Same thing for Chick-fil-A. Oh, I just got a $7.75 plus at Chick-fil-A, right? Well, that's a great order, but even if it's some wait time on that, you ain't getting no stack. So you got to keep that in mind. But then you got places like Wingstop that'll have you waiting. Wingstop, if you get a $5 order from Wingstop and you have to wait a couple minutes, well, you might get an additional order at Wingstop or at Qdoba. Same thing for Panera. Same thing for Buffalo Wild Wings. Same thing for Five Guys. Same thing for Jersey Mike's. This is how you maximize, guys. This is how you make the most of your time when you out there delivering. So boom, we're gonna go ahead and check in for both orders. Now I got both names pulled up, and it's a sandwich shop. Like, they about to have both of these ready. It ain't a doubt in my mind because it's early. They don't got a whole lot of customers right now. If they did, then it might be a little chance they'd be a little bit backed up. But you can kind of get a feel for the parking lot. Oh, it's not too many cars in the parking lot. Boom. Alrighty, FDA family, we are 2 hours and 20 minutes into this shift, and we sitting at $41. So we're doing a little bit better than before, because at first we were sitting at $13 for the first hour. So things started to pick up in hour number 2. Now, this is much better than the previous shift, because look, I was trying to go out and make my little $100, and I had to go ahead and pack it up because it was not working for me last time. But it seems like we got a good pace going for this shift. Let's see what we can get next. The one thing I will say is Walmart Spark has not sent me any good offers today. Really, they only had 3 Sam's Club offers on there. And if you're familiar with Walmart Spark, you know that them Sam's Club offers be normally horrible. Like $15 for 20 plus miles usually. And I think that's everything that I saw today. All 3 of those Sam's Club orders was paying like 15 to 17 bucks for like 20 plus miles. Look, it's not happening. I don't advise you to take offers like that. I'm not having none. We back out, and I finally got my first Walmart Spark order of the day. This one came in at 25 bucks and some change for 5 miles, but it's 3 customers, and one of these customers is somebody who I delivered to before, and I thought that I told them I don't want to deliver to them no more. But you know what? It's all good. We're finna go ahead and get it dropped off. Walmart Spark order number 2 right here. This one is the 3rd and final drop off of the Walmart Spark order. $25 for 5 miles, 3 customers. I think today might be a just try to hit the daily goal type of day. I'm at 65 bucks, so I need about 35, and I can't get it with an order like this. Right before that, they sent me this order. Now, at least that's 1-to-1 miles to money ratio, but still, I had to go ahead and let it go. I can't take that offer. 25 for 3.3 over at Arby's. Now that order I'll much rather take, because looky here, I can get a stack coming out of Arby's. It ain't got a plus sign on it, but at least that 3 miles keeps me within my zone, meaning that once I drop this Arby's order off, I'll be able to get another order, or I can be able to pick something up on Uber Eats, or still be in the queue for my Walmart Spark order. Let's get it. Now with this Arby's order, I only need like what, 27 more bucks, and then I hit my daily goal and I can go to the crib. Because look, when it's slow, and you can feel it in the air of your market. You can feel when it's slow, and I can feel it right now. I barely got that Walmart Spark order, so I'm just finna go ahead, try to hit my goal and get to the crib. Like I said, you got to know your market, guys. You got to know the places where you got a higher probability of getting a stack. Now you see it say 6++, so that means that's gonna put me even closer to my daily goal. Let's get it. So now if we just count the $6 we see right here plus the 8, that's what, 14 bucks. So I said I needed 35 more bucks. So if I just minus that 14, now I need 21 more dollars to hit my daily goal. Let's get it. All right, so we're gonna head up in the Arby's and we're gonna see if they got this first order ready. Squirrel. All right, squirrel, you gonna move? Ah! Squirrel tried to get me. Yes, sir. Walmart Spark came through for the win. I got that last order I needed. 36 bucks, 4 miles, 1 customer, and it was a shop and deliver. And I already did it. I got all the shopping done. I'm about to pull off right now and head to my customer and deliver this order. Now, the time right now is 7 p.m., so I'm happy, because I'm glad that it didn't take me all night to hit that daily goal. Now, if I want to, I could stay out for a little bit longer and try to hit that goal, or not really hit the goal, I mean exceed the goal. But you know what, I'm taking it easy. It's slow out here and I'm not about to push it. I'll wait for another day when the orders are a little better and the tips are coming through a little bit more. That'll be the day where I decide to go hard and give it my all. But I hit my daily goal, so I can go ahead and go to the crib and kick my feet up, knowing I did what I need to do, covering my expenses and making sure I squeeze a little bit of profit out of the day. So look, do me a favor. If you made it this far in the video, you the real MVP. Go ahead, hit that like button and the subscribe button for your boy, and go ahead and check out one of these next videos. And if you really want to help support this channel, do me a big solid and consider it become let me get it out right. Consider becoming a channel member to show your ongoing support for this channel, because I'm not gonna lie to you, it takes a lot of money, a lot of time, and a lot of effort and dedication to bring you guys these videos. So if you want to support me in the long term and the short term, go ahead and consider being a channel member. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one.